If you're new to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and remember to click the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads throughout the week. It's Monday, the 4th of June, and we're going on a trip. We're going out to a neighbouring city called Bradford, and there's a big, huge home-based kind of superstore there. There's the same one in Leeds, but it's smaller. The one in Bradford's twice the size, and we found out that they're no longer, they've got an art department where you can buy watercolour card and papers and paints and paintbrushes and craft stuff and that kind of thing. And we found out that they're actually stocking the Reeves paints, which is what I normally use. I like to have a nice collection of those kind of paints in, and they're all 2 for 1. Now the one in Leeds has pretty much been stripped bare, so we're going to go check out the one in Bradford. So that's where we're going this morning. Good morning. Morning still.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Good morning and Monday morning, so I'm still asleep, and we're at the range in Bradford.
That's because you had a busy weekend.
I did. At the range in Bradford.
Yes, hoping for some bargains. Let's get out the road. So have you spent up?
Lots of boxes.
Yes.
Boxes. Yeah, lots of boxes.
So much temptation in here.
There's a sweet aisle.
You and your sweets. Caught in the act. Little Tinker's eating my sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Isn't he lovely? Isn't he lovely there?
Little monkey. No wonder there's nothing left of my sunflowers. So it's just approaching lunchtime on Tuesday, the 5th. Is it the 5th of June today? Kind of losing track. Now, because we went to Bradford yesterday, I didn't do my accounts yesterday like I was supposed to have done. My month-end accounts, I like to do the first kind of Monday of a brand new month. So my accounts for May, I would do the first Monday into a new month. But because we went out yesterday to the range and spent too much money on stuff we didn't really need, I didn't do them. So by the time I came back, I'd started to feel a bit ropey and a bit under the weather. I can start to feel like a migraine or something building at the back of my head. And I know that if it does carry on building by Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to be no use to anybody. So I'm going to try and get as much of my accounts work done today as I possibly can. So I try and catch up, if you like, because I kind of missed it yesterday. So I know it's a bit OCD of me, and it'll probably last. I could probably do it next week or something like that, but it will prey on the back of my mind. So that's just me. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Fingers crossed, head down, concentrate on trying to get my accounts done and dusted for the month so that I don't have to worry about it. Also, Tuesday, I've been kind of toying with the idea of those seed packets. So I'm going to have another go and another little play on that as well today, and see what I can come up with. It's 3 o'clock on Wednesday, 6th of June 0606. I'm just setting off to go visit mother and father for the usual Wednesday shopping trip. I've got an absolute stinking headache. I'll just say goodbye to Ian. There we go. It's taking Mr. Bentley out for his walk. So he left about a minute or two before me. Obviously he's not got very far. I lifted it so you could get your legs in.
Yeah, I was just looking at my toe.
What's up with it?
There's something rubbing on the top of my toe. I'll have to look inside my shoe when we go home. Maybe it's the lining in the top of my shoe.
Is it irritating?
Yeah. It's rubbing.
Right, ready?
Yes.
Wagons roll. It's almost 8:30 on Thursday, 7th of June. I didn't sleep very well last night again. So it's 2 nights running now where I've had really restless, tossing and turning. Can't say that I was too warm, but just really restless and broken sleep. So this morning I'm not feeling particularly wonderful. Just not feeling with it at all today. So headache's still, I've still got a headache, but that's because of 2 nights kind of like broken sleep, which isn't good. But I'm on my way back anyway. I've set off a little bit later than usual. I'm about half an hour later than I normally am. Hopefully the rush hour traffic will have kind of subsided a bit. I probably won't get back to the house that much later than what I normally do, because I always set off and it normally takes me about an hour or so to get home on a Thursday morning because of the rush hour traffic. Because it's probably mostly dissipated, or by the time I get into Leeds city centre it'll probably be starting to die down, so I'll probably make up a lot of time that way. But hey ho. It's Thursday afternoon. It's just after lunch. I've just tried to have something to eat. I've got no appetite at all, and this headache is just getting worse and worse and worse. So I'm going to go back to bed for an hour or two. I'm going to just get my head down and see whether I can try and shift it just with a bit of rest. Now, I don't know whether it's tension or whether it is just something to do with my eyes or whatever. These are new glasses, so I don't need to have my eyes tested because that's already been done, already sorted. So it's probably just tension and all the rest of it. But I just think because I haven't slept properly for the last 2 nights, I had a bad night on Tuesday and I had a bad night at my mum and dad's on Wednesday night, because I never sleep very good when I'm at mum and dad's. The bed's too small. But that's a different matter altogether. I haven't slept properly for the last couple of nights, so I'm going to go, like I said, and get my head down for a couple of hours and see whether or not I feel any better later on. So the chances are I probably won't get round to doing an art journal project or something for tonight, so I will try and make it up over the weekend.
Right, living room stadium, homemade nachos. Yeah. Summer vibes. Fruit jewel ice lollies. Well, look, have a read. You know, you read very quickly. And what's this one? A barbecue. Homemade burglars.
Beef burglars.
Beef burglars. And then we've got points. Oh, there's even more points. Peas and toilet paper. How lovely.
It's a good combination.
Peas and toilet paper?
Yes.
No. My pal.
Quite possibly. So it's a Friday afternoon. Approaching 3 o'clock-ish. No. Oi. I know he does. So nearly 3 o'clock. Just on our way up to the post office to deliver or take some parcels. Big bag full of yummy goodiness to be sent to far-flung corners of around the globe.
Australia,
Australia, Phoenix, Arizona,
Wigan.
and Wigan. Yeah, somewhere like that anyway. You big dopey. It's Saturday afternoon, nearly 5 o'clock. So today, just say hello.
I thought you were talking to me then.
No, priorities right. Dog
Yeah.
first, then you. So this morning I spent some time in the craft room printing out some signatures and stuff for a couple of journals I'm working on at the moment. So then after lunch I did my art journal project for Saturday, which I've now edited, uploaded and scheduled. Ian, now it's your turn.
Good afternoon. I've cut all the grass, done the edging and cleared up the leaves and all the grass that's growing in our wooded area at the bottom.
So you've been doing gardening
I've been doing gardening stuff,
stuff.
and then we've been out for our WLK. We've come back, we've had a pint of pop, and Mike's made tea, so I'm just sat here just before we have our tea at 5 o'clock.
When he says I've made tea, I've just done a salad. I've not made anything really. Look at Mr. Puppy, he's falling asleep, he's tired.
Been busy doing nothing.
Been busy puppying, haven't you? Poor little creature. It's a hard life, but somebody's got to do it.
Tenth, no, 13th.
No, I think it is the 10th today.
Is it 10th today?
Yeah.
Can we want to start?
Anytime you're ready.
You started already, haven't you?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, goodbye. It's Sunday the 10th of June. We have moved since yesterday and we've been sat in the chair. We've been busy doing things today, lots of things.
Sunday things.
Sunday things. Bentley's been very busy doing dog things, chasing things and barking at people. I've been busy making things in the garage for my next show, and Mike's just been like doing special things. And the curry.
Yes. We've had a non-typical traditional Sunday lunch today of a chicken madras curry.
It was a little bit too spicy though, so I think there's trouble brewing, literally.
So, yeah, so we've not. Let me turn it round so I can do a bit of talking now because I'm bored of you.
Okay.
Scary Mary, were you going to say?
Yeah.
Anyway, so yes, today I was going to do some more journal making stuff today, but with it being warm, I really didn't have the energy. So instead, I've been sat in front of the computer most of the day. I found a French encyclopedia in 2 volumes, and I've got both volumes. And at the start of each section of each letter, there's a really beautiful kind of arts and craftsy
Illuminated letter.
Yes, an illuminated letter at the beginning of each of the sections. And because it's 1909, that's the date of it, it's out of copyright. So I've spent the day scanning the illuminated monograms and then cleaning them up, converting them, removing backgrounds and turning them into digistamps. So I've got 26 very large digistamps because they go the entire width of the encyclopedia and they're practically half pages. And I think the what was it, 33 centimetres was the page size, wasn't it? So it's oversized A4, which is bigger than US letter. So you can imagine how big they are. So it's taken me practically all day to do those, but I've kind of been a bit single-minded and focused on doing those instead of blinkered, because it was a job that was a little bit involved, but it was easy, but there was 26 of them to do. But I had to extract the images, clean all the images up, and then convert them all. So I've probably done it 26 times, 3 or 4 times throughout the day. So, but Ian did say that if he'd attempted to do it in one day, he wouldn't have been able to do
I'd
it.
have given up on it, got bored.
But you see, I'm focused, so I managed to get it done before I started cooking the curry. So that was Sunday, really, and as you can see, the weather's still nice today. It was supposed to rain today, but it hasn't, which is nice. So we're just enjoying the last embers of the day with a cup of tea, sat outside, having a bit of a chill. Exactly. So on that note, I'm going to draw this week's vlog to a close. So that's all from me.
And me and the puppy dog.
Well, I was going to turn it round then.
Okay.
So it's good night from me.
And it's goodbye from me. And it's goodbye from Mr. Bentley. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.
I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.